Greetings, mortals. I know I haven't made any long Phantom on Crack videos in a while, and I wanted to explain why shortly. First of all, the fandom itself is no longer that funny, and a lot of people has agreed with me on that. Finding crack stuff is hard nowadays. Secondly, I had some problems during summer with some of my online friends that I would not like to talk about here, but it was depressing, and for 2 months I did not want to do anything. Lastly, you guys probably knew how hard it was for me to make the CRACC show, and my hands were suffering, so I didn't want to make long episodes. So that is pretty much why I haven't been doing the CRACC show. Anyways, on to the video.
Guys, I just came up with the most riveting FNAF theory ever. So the Mimic is actually...
No way, that is brilliant.
How come no one ever thought of this? The Mimic is obviously...
Oh my god, this is actually an awesome theory.
Oh golly. Bro is so genius.
Bro is a better theorist than Pat.
Wow. So you're saying Mimic really was the whole time?
Damn, I can't believe was the Mimic the whole time. Let him cook, man. They are cooking all right.
For sure, I always figured the Mimic was.
Hello people. Cat. That's it. Bye.
Look at the silly shitten.
The shitten is sleeping.
Geepy shitten.
Shoo, be quiet, you might wake it up.
Wake up.
No.
Yes, wakey.
If any of you dare to wake up shitten, I will drag you to Twitter.
You wouldn't.
Walking distance from you know what's up like that was invited to a million years in starting to like that was invited I am Jumbo Josh anymore.
Meditate.
A jubba dabba da. What? Okay, I'll meditate.
Badminton.
I feel so much more relaxed.
Which of these faces from the FNAF movie was more memorable? A. Bart Simpson. B. Sans Undertale. C. White Woman. D. Maxo Waxo. E. Dora the Explorer. F. Honk. And yes, I intentionally gave them the goofiest names I could think of.
Where the hell is Doug?
Honk the bonk.
I left Doug out on purpose because I knew everyone would pick him.
Fair. None of these mortals would stand a chance against Doug.
Hello people. I am drawing stuff again.
More evil Turkish woman art.
My Instagram and Pinterest feed has been filled with Megaloharas, and I just had to draw him. There are too many people who simp for him, like why?
Not in the Spider-Verse fandom, so I can't relate. I can however find myself in a sea of people who headcanon Becca from Splatoon hating each year. You wouldn't get it, it's a splat ban thing.
I also started watching Hilda, and it's kinda like Gravity Falls.
Yeah, I thought it was like GF.
The little wood guy is my favorite character for now. When I finish it, I am also planning to watch Bungo Stray Dogs.
Oh, what's that?
It's an anime series. I don't know much about it yet. I decided to watch it because a friend of mine is a big fan of it.
Oh, alright.
Just watched Across the Spider-Verse. Really good movie. People, however, often forget or don't realize that Miguel O'Hara was also this guy.
I recommend watching Precure Doki Doki, aka Glitter Force Doki Doki here in America. It's a magical girl anime.
Why is Toy Freddy so hot?
Chibi, please keep your questions to yourself.
Chibi, we need more of your wise questions. Don't listen to Ari.
Everyone should listen to me.
Why is William built like an eggplant?
Hell nah, I ain't listening to bread. Last time that happened my brother disappeared mysteriously.
Because he arple.
Listen to the weed.
Arple is my favorite color for real.
I'm not bread, I'm toast. There's a difference. Lag machine moment.
Double post moment.
Skill issue Ari.
The course I'm taking is American history from 1877 to present. So far it's just white people messing shit up.
How England ruined the world.
England be like, nah we be putting taxes on fucking T-boys.
What I absolutely love is that we consider Aubergine one of the gods of this wiki, and whenever he says something, it will get upvoted. And it must be upvoted.
That's most of history, Aubergine.
I can't argue with that assessment.
Updating the wiki rules to when aubergine speaks, the wiki shalt listen.
This is basically what it is so far. Hooray! We freed black people from slavery. Now we'll do nothing while the South takes away their rights. Oh, there's Native Americans out west. Get rid of them. We need to expand. The Filipinos are fighting us after we replaced Spain as their oppressor. Adorable.
I mean, I'm Dutch Canadian. I can't speak for the USA.
I would argue that not one country can claim that it has a spotless record. All nations have done terrible things at some point. What matters is learning from them and not making those mistakes again. And hey, at least I don't live in Germany.
I keep returning at the weirdest moments.
Pretty accurate. People try to act like the North was innocent in the affair of slavery, but the whole country's economy was built on it, so...
The only thing us Germans are known for is our cars, obviously.
Murder. I would have loved to have driven one of your nation's cars when I went to Germany. Alas, it was 1945, and just about every car was blown up.
No, you got it all wrong. It was just a holographic sticker factory that got blown up. The cars are just fine.
Aubergine, how do you pronounce RWC?
Real fist facts. Oh shit, I'm no king of England now. Suck it, Charles.
Long live the aubergine.
Nobody likes King Charles anyway, so it all works out.
At insert an on-cringe username perfect CRACC material.
I have been summoned for CRACC material, but the next CRACC episode will probably come out next year. I have to study this year for the university exam.
God save the aubergine.
Long life King Aubergine. Long life King Aubergine. The best king is Aubergine. The best king is Aubergine.
I am both flattered and scared right now.
As you should be.
Alright, that's far more than enough attention directed towards me for one day. Goodbye.
Anyways, I gotta go to sleep. Gonna go to school tomorrow, unfortunately. Anyone wanna commit arson with me tomorrow after school?
Count me in, Ilith.
Showing art I showed you last night because yes. Guess who this lad is?
You?
The 2001 Honda Civic is an ideal vehicle for running over children with. I learned that from Jedi Master Yoda.
We're here to commit arson, though, aubergine man, not to kill younglings.
It's not me, it's one of my evil twin brothers, Liquid Murder.
What?
In that case, we'll need more firepower. Might I suggest a mighty battleship Yamato?
Are we planning to commit arson on a whole country or something? I was only planning to commit arson on a local Burger King or something.
What's wrong, Tricka? Is brown-haired men with evil, clean-shaven twin brothers not a common thing?
You never mentioned ever having a twin before, Hornet.
Well, I have a twin now. I accidentally created him after I went to 2018 for reasons I can't say. He's me but from the past.
Fine, I'll get us a smaller vessel.
I have a whole family tree of Ms.
Based Varan family moment.
Ah, so you're a product of some old-fashioned southern inbreeding.
No, mitosis poopy head.
Keep telling yourself that. The South is known for its inbred hillbillies and neo-Confederates.
Then explain why there's a head growing out of my shoulder.
It's mitotic inbreeding.
That's simply advanced inbreeding.
Essentially, Varan breeds with himself, which begins the spawning of life within his body, which slowly works its way outwards until it arrives at the point of mitosis.
Fuck it, I'm going to 1964 if anybody needs me.
Keep telling yourself that. You are not ready to comprehend the biology of your creators.
Fascinating.
I came back to this and I'm very confused.
Why the hell is everyone voting my one-worded reply?
Who knows, Dave?
You're just cool like that, aubergine.
You're based as hell, aubergine.
Please don't make me king of England again. Or worse, king of France.
Let's make aubergine the king of France.
I would never make you the king of France, who disallowed hijab. But England, on the other hand.
Us Florida men created this world, and we can destroy it any time we want.
I say Florida needs a king.
Aubergine, if you become the king of France, allow hijab again. The law is messed up.
Come to think of it, we can use my battleship to commit arson on all of France. When we're done, they will do it to Canada. I'll get a Nobel Peace Prize for my efforts to make the world a better place.
Yes, do it, aubergine. Fuck those countries.
King will be me, there will be no wars, famines or Twitter, the world will be perfect because there will be no world left. Make me Florida's ruler and I will ensure that everything wrong with our planet is vaporized into dust and all who oppose my will shall be crushed.
I support Varen becoming king of Florida because I don't want to be king of Florida.
Committing arson on France seems fun. I don't like France either. Its capital city is the city of love, after all, and I'm heroic.
You could always go to visit the tomb of Napoleon, or just to take a picture in front of the Eiffel Tower like H the asterisk did.
I am now in 1964. Stop. Does anybody want any souvenirs? Stop. Sorry for typing funny, I'm trying to not raise any suspicions. Stop.
Would you mind getting me a postcard from the RMS Queen Elizabeth? The ship is only gonna be in service for another 4 years.
Yeah, Sure, aber stop.
Great news. France no longer exists.
That reminds me of some guy who gave me instructions on how to build a nuke that will blow up half of France.
Wow, 60k comments. This post will never die, will it?
Nope.
I don't think so. This is even worse than my CRACC posts.
Why it is they the creator of FANDOM and CRACC?
Yup, that is more. I have no motivation to do the CRACC show right now though.
Alif, we crowned Aubergine King of England.
Yes, I know. I saw that. He also removed France. What an absolute Chad king.
Aubergine is a gigachad for real.
I can't take it credit for deleting France. Like the video I posted showed, it was the ocean which consumed France following centuries of warfare that dated back to the times of the Roman Empire.
France should have been like the other countries and put up anti-erosion walls.
Anyways, I'm flattered people are calling me a Chad, but in reality, I'm quite weak. I'm also a virgin too. Personally, I'm quite happy with who I am.
You may be weak in body, but in mentality you're stronger than a lot of us, which let's face it isn't too high of a bar, but even then.
Lots of virgins have made marks on history. Like, that one guy. Alright, fine. I got nothing.
Okay, but asking the real questions here. If you are now the King of England, does that mean you will rule for 2000 years, since that's the average lifespan of Aubergine man?
Yes, I will start by donating a shit ton of money to the Cunard Line so they can build more transatlantic ocean liners. A poor economic decision, but hey, what the hell?
You shall truly be the greatest king England will ever know.
Want to see a third ship bear the name Mauritanian? Let me make one thing clear. Racism, sexism, and all other forms of discrimination will not be tolerated under my rule. No matter who you are, I see you all as equally inferior to me.
I like where you're going with that one, but I do feel like the people could do without that last part. If anything, it makes you seem hypocritical.
Remember, I'm an aubergine. I am of a superior species.
I mean, yeah, but... Well, I was going to ask if the satisfaction of the people was on your agenda for being ruler of England, but seeing as you're... Well, I'd say that's out of the picture.
Yeah, satisfaction of the people, whatever. But what I look forward to the most is having tea and marmalade sandwiches with Paddington Bear.
Well, as an American, not a proud one, I'm safe from your tyranny.
I'm also going to have a summer home on the 100% Trail Island of Sodoma, so I can hang out with all the cool talking trains. Alright, but let's be serious here. I'm very thankful that I'm not actually the King of England. I mean, have you seen those people's teeth? Not to mention, driving on the wrong side of the road. Good thing we Americans drive on the right side of the road rather than the wrong.
Hey people, I have made some art of the stuff we talked about last night. Aubergine and I are hosting the news about France's disappearance, and Moonlight recording it.
Anyways, I'm sure Elif is as glad as I am that France has been deleted. I propose Canada to get deleted next.
Deleting Canada is going to be way lot harder since it's bigger though.